Hey everybody, well today I am doing a brand new blue eyeshadow tutorial. I don't think I've ever filmed a blue eyeshadow tutorial before, so there's always a first time, and this is going to be my take on it. So today I'm going to be using my Mecca Max eyeshadow palette. This is from Mecca Max and it's the beautiful Holidaze eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to be using these two shades here. I recently did a look with this for an event and it turned out really well. It's so easy to achieve. Now all I have on my face at the moment is just sunscreen, so basically we're just going to do the eyes. Now the eyes need to be done first before any foundation goes on. Well, especially with this palette there is a lot of fallout, but I do highly recommend doing the eyes first before any base makeup because it'll save you a lot of time and headache cleaning it up. So guys, let's get into doing this really basic eye look. To prime the eyelids today, I'm just going to be using the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. And I'm only taking like a little dab of that. And just with a mini buffing brush, this one is by Mecca Cosmetica. I'll link everything in the description box below. So easy prime, just with concealer. Another good concealer is the ABH eye primer, but this works just as well. Well, actually let's just do the eyebrows real quickly. Just using the Milk Makeup Kush eyebrow gel, and this is in the shade Dutch. I'm running out of this, I need to get some more, and it'll be my third tube. The first important step when doing a blue eyeshadow look is sometimes you do need to go in with a bit of a neutral shadow to make the eyeshadow look its very best. Don't ask me why this works, it just does. So from this palette I'm actually going in with the shade called Deserted, and you just need the lightest taupe shade out, like a creamy beigey taupe shade that's almost as close to your skin color. So I'm just using a fluffy brush, and the fluffy brush that I'm using today is the Morphe brush. And all I'm doing at the moment is doing a windshield wiping motion along the crease of the eye and running it along the crease of the eye. So you can see that it's slightly deeper than my skin tone, but not by much. And this really helps to make the eyeshadow, well, any kind of really colourful eyeshadow look its best, but honestly it works the best with blue eyeshadow and green. I'm just looking straight into my mirror when I do this and closing my eye as well, just to get that blend happening really smoothly. I love this eyeshadow palette for its versatility. Now actually with my finger I'm dipping into this shade here called Summer Breeze, and I'm tapping that onto the eyelid, and I'm basically taking it along across the whole eyelid, stamping it on with my finger for the best effect and best pigmentation. You can definitely use a flat packing brush to put this on, but with this formula I find using my finger is best. And then with the Contour and Blend eyeshadow brush by Huda Beauty, I'm doing it with the side that's like a pencil brush, but a big fat pencil brush side, dipping into the blue shade because we need to get the inner corner of the eyes. My fingers will not get that area, so I'm bringing it in, stamping it on, and also working that blue shadow a little bit higher up into the crease, because the whole point of doing blue eyeshadow is that you really want to be able to see it. Now with the Angie Hot and Flashy A501 brush, I'm dipping into the deeper shade here called Electric, and going into the outer corner of the eye we're deepening up the outer corner of the eye with electric. And blending it in with Summer Breeze. And you can see all the fallout that's happening there. But so easy, all we need to do is clean it up and then we can go ahead with foundation. So that's the basic eye shape that I want to achieve there, and that's pretty much the look. I'm just going to deepen it up a little bit more. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye. Just going to clean up the fallout, and just with that same Morphe fluffy brush, we're just going to go over the edges of that. Just the edges of the deeper shadow. Now you can definitely go ahead and add a sparkle to this shadow. I find that using a sparkly shadow on top will really give you such a beautiful, just a beautiful sparkle to the eye. So I'm just going over the edges of that blue shadow just to diffuse the edges and give it more of a softer look. You can definitely leave this unblended for a more graphic look. Just touching up the dark blue shadow again because it sort of wore off when we did that blending, which is quite normal for that to happen. And then just going back in to soften the edges again. Now for the under eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Sparkle and Shine, and there is a smudger brush on this shadow, and it's on the other end, it's like a kind of like one of those, you know, those sponges that you get in the eyeshadow palettes. For the under eyes, we're going to be going in with this shade here called Dawn, and it's like a terracotta shade, light terracotta shade, and lining the lower lash line. Now you can definitely do this step after you put the concealer on, but I'm doing it before concealer, so that's okay as well. And then with the lighter color that we just used to do the crease, this one is called Deserted, going along the edge of that light terracotta shade. Just with a flat angled eyebrow brush, dipping into this light shade here called Light Beam for the inner corner of the eye. And while I'm at it, highlight the brow bone. So guys, that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'll just zoom you guys in closer for the look. So I'm going to go back, I'm going to be doing the rest of my face. I'm going to put lashes, well, I'm not going to put fake eyelashes on, I'm just going to do lashings of black mascara, and I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I will be back to show you the completed look. And guys, that completes the rest of the look. I really enjoyed filming this blue eyeshadow tutorial for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Blue eyeshadow is so fun. You can just wear it any day of the week. You can wear it with any outfit. You can wear it subtly, you could wear it very pastel, you could wear it very sheer, you can wear it really heavy, you can go really deep with blue. So absolutely loved filming this for you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing. I would love to have you on my channel. And yeah, we'll do some more fun makeup looks. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I don't know how many times I've said that already now, but I guess I am in a bit of a rush because I have to go somewhere. So outro is out the window. So anyway, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy your day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.